Welcome to the Arnott Suspension Products Installation Guide for the new rear air springs for Mercedes-Benz C-Class, W205, E-Class, S213, and EQC, N293. This video will walk you through the steps to ensure a smooth and safe installation process. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. This vehicle contains a closed air supply system. Replacement of components requires proper adherence to procedures set forth within OE servicing literature. Failure to comply with the OE prescribed procedures can result in component damage and/or failure. Set the steering to straight ahead, raise the vehicle, and remove the applicable rear wheel. This will give you access to the air spring for removal. Deflate the air spring using the diagnostic tool. Disconnect the airline and remove the airline fitting by sliding the threaded portion up the line and spreading the collet open. The air fitting will then slide off the airline and discard it. Remove the plastic trim underneath the bottom of the air spring. Remove the air spring from the vehicle. Install the new air spring into the vehicle, making sure the top of the air spring locks securely into the mount clip. This ensures proper alignment and functionality. Ensure that all nuts and bolts are tightened to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications during the installation process to avoid any potential damage or failure. Insert the airline into the new air spring fitting firmly until it stops. This step is crucial for ensuring a secure connection and preventing leaks. Ensure the air spring is properly and securely seated. Inflate the air spring using the diagnostic tool. Reinstall the applicable wheel and lower the vehicle. Double-check all connections and fittings to ensure everything is secure and functioning correctly. Thank you for watching our installation guide for the Arnott new rear air springs. We hope this video has been helpful. For any further assistance, feel free to contact our technical support team.